Oh, oh yeah, that's a big one. Come on, buddy. What's going on, guys? It's Dave with Profishn, back with another video. So today, get home, I got this, came in the mail. Got this, and got this. Carl's Bait and Tackle. Let's see what we got here. This ought to be good. Go ahead and we'll cut this box open. All right. Only one box. I got a bunch of this, a bunch of that. All right, so what do we got here? We got, I was wrong, a box, another box. Yeah, box in a box. Of course it's sealed up, so let's go ahead and pop that. Boy, don't want to open this like an animal, but really? A box inside of another box inside of another box? Golly, man. Just boxes inside of boxes. Get out of here with that. All right, so see if you can see that. Googan Squad. Let's see what we got inside of here. All right, here we go. Got the Googan Squad sticker. That'll look nice. I'll put that on my truck or the kayak. Probably put it on my kayak. All right, what do we got here? We got the Googan Baits Rattling Ned. Not bad, not bad. Never used them before. We'll try them out. Then we got the Googan Baits Drag and Drop. That's Sunset Bug, and the other one is Smelt, Green Smelt, GRN-SMT. Don't look green, but all right. Then what do we got here? We got the Finesse Jig, Little Juicy. Little Juicy. It's bluegill, 4/0 hook, 3/8 ounce. Not bad. Then what do we got here? We got the Googan Squad Junior Scout jerk bait. Not bad. Diving depth 3 to 5 foot, length 3.5 inch, weight 3/8 ounce. All right, then we, oh wow, I like that. Plastic sleeve over a plastic box. I can't win. So okay, this is called the Mini Clutch. It's a lipless crankbait. Diving depths, it just says sinking, length 2.25 inch, weight 3/8 ounce. But look at that, that is nice. See if you can see it a little better. That's nice. I'm gonna use that. Comment down in the bottom if you want to see a video of me using these lures, seeing what all they catch, seeing how well they work. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. The more likes I get, the more comments I get, the better the channel does. All right, so then we got the last lure here. It's called the Mini Recon Shallow Diving Crankbait, 3 to 6. There you go. Dives 3 to 6 foot, 2 inch length, 1/4 ounce. So there's that. Got it. All right, so let's get into this. Let's see what we got in here. I don't know what side to open. I guess I don't need the knife. Let's see what we got here. Paperwork. Don't need that. I'm not one for reading. Oh yeah, this is looking nice. So what do we got here? We got bubble wrap off. We'll have fun with that bubble wrap later, popping the bubbles. More bubble wrap. Bear with me, try to get all this plastic off of here. Oh, that is very nice. What do we got here? This is a 7-foot medium fast finesse rod. This is very nice. I like the cork on there. That's nice. Oh, it's real light too. Rod splits in half. It's all right. No particularly like rods that split, but this is a very nice rod. I will definitely be using this. Well, if you guys like this video and you want to see me out there using this stuff, I just got to pick one of my reels to put on here. But if you guys like this video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see me using any of these baits, using this rod. I'll probably end up making a video anyways, a review on this stuff. So catch you guys in the next one. Later.